for here we are gonna do a podcast. We are gonna do a Q&A, question and asking. For the other asking question and asking, for the order is first is Meridian, second is Mutia Rizky, the third is Miftahul Janah, and the fourth is me. But before we begin, we're gonna do before we begin, introduce yourself maybe. So to Meridian next.
Okay, my name is Meridian. I'm from Physics Education Department.
So next to Mutia, introduce yourself.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Mutia Rizky. I'm from Agrotechnology Department.
So next to Miftahul Janah, let me introduce yourself.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Miftahul Janah, and I'm from Political Science.
So the last is me. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Zinudin Madanustian. I'm from Agrotechnology Department. So let's begin the Q&A. So go to next to Meridian, asking the first question to everyone.
Okay, my question. Number one, what are you doing or preparing for future goals?
And I answer is looking for skills that match my current ability so that when I work, I don't just rely on what I'm living at the moment.
Number one, save because of what in the future we need, what will be needed.
For me, what I'm gonna do to prepare the future, maybe study and learning skills. So I think that's from prepare the future. Next to Mutia, asking question, the first question from Mutia to everyone.
Okay, my question is, what are your plans after graduating from college?
I answer my plan after graduating for college. I wanted to continue my study to a higher level, but I also want to get a job that match my career passion. Then I want to have a business that I have been running since now. Okay, next.
Okay, my plan after graduating college is to want to work where I want, but the job is not accordance with the major I am currently choosing.
My plan to after graduating from college, maybe searching for a job and try and search for experience. And maybe if I have an experience, I will try. I will resume study to S2 maybe. I think so. I think that's it. So Miftahul Janah, for the first question to everyone. Maybe. Next.
Okay, number one question. After graduating, do you want to continue your studies or work, and why?
Okay, I can answer. I want to continue study linear with my career major. Then I want to work while opening a person business because continue study, work, and business is the goals my life at this time.
Okay, I want to answer, and my answer is study because I want to continue my master's degree abroad, but I haven't studied English more deeply.
For I want to maybe continue to work after graduating to try some experience, because if we doesn't have experience when we are graduate from master, we are gonna have to uh, search for a job. Maybe I think I'm gonna search for experience first, so later I will continue my study later. So I think I think it's my turn to asking a question. So the first question from me is, what are you most afraid of what will happen in the future?
Okay, I wanted to answer. I'm afraid to follow with the future plans that I designed before that hard to find a job. And I am afraid that the education I'm currently would be useless in the future. But I believe everything will go according to plan. I graduate on time and it was easy to get a job or open my own business.
Okay, next, and my answer is the thing that I'm most afraid of happening in the future is not having a job. Because as well I know, nowadays it is very difficult to find a job. So we need to have qualified skills to get a job.
Okay, my answer. The plan that I had planned did not go as I want and expect.
So maybe for the first question is finished. So uh, to Median, to asking a second question to everyone.
Okay, number one, how to motivate yourself for future goals.
And my answer is it is necessary to set the right goals so that when we are tired of what we are living, we can remember the original purpose of doing it.
I want to answer. Don't be afraid to dream because dreams are a way to motivate yourself to be what you want, and don't be afraid to take risks.
What can I to maintain my motivator for future goal? I think uh, it's hard work, maybe courage to survive, maybe to maintain motivate me. So I think that's it. Next to Matia to asking the second question to everyone.
Which region or country would you most like to visit?
Okay, I can answer. I really want to go Labuan Bajo because it is I had paradise in Eastern Indonesia. This is destination is the gateway to Komodo National Park, which holds amazing natural beauty, and enjoying the view of the twilight sky can also be another way to enjoy Labuan Bajo.
Okay, I wanted to answer. If the area I want to visit Bali, and the country I want to visit is Switzerland because the scenery in that country is very beautiful.
For the area, I want to ask a question. Answer the question for the area. Maybe Mountain Semeru. Maybe I will hike Mountain Semeru because it's my dream to hike to Mountain Semeru. For the country, maybe New Zealand because New Zealand have a very beautiful scenery. So to next to Miftahul Jannah to asking second question to everyone.
Number two, do you want a job according to your chosen major?
I can answer. I do not really want a job according to my major because from the start I do not want to be a physics teacher. But now that I'm study teacher science, I think it is not bad when I have to become a physics teacher. Next.
Okay, and my answer is I want to work according to my passion, and until now, I haven't found the right passion.
I want to answer the question. The question is in the same major. Yeah, yes. If there's opportunity to have a job to according to my major, maybe I will take it. But if not, I think I will be okay. If not, be the same major or not, from my major, I think. So I think I will ask the second question. What would you do if you could predict the future and know your future will be good? So to Meridian to answer.
Okay, I can answer. I will surely prepare to my future, even though I know it will be good, but with a lot of preparation, everything will run smoothly no matter no condition.
The next and my answer is when I already know that my future will be bright, then we'll just keep going.
Okay, my answer, maintain and don't let a good future be destroyed because we are too relaxed.
So I think that's it from the second question. Move to third question to Meridian to asking the third question to everyone.
Okay, next question. If, for example, your parents or close people do not agree with your future goals, what do you do?
Okay, and my answer is I will give understanding to my parents or closest people that what I do is to achieve my goals. In addition, speech without evidence is in the background, so I have to prove it with the results I will get.
My answer, have a good talk and explain in detail why we take that decision for the future.
For me, I will try to explain it first to my parents, but if my parents doesn't agree, otherwise I will not do it to if my parents doesn't agree. But I will try to explain it first, so my parents will be understand. Next to Miftahul to ask to Mutia to asking the third question.
Okay, and my question is what are the criteria for your future partner?
Okay, I can answer. As a woman, I want a partner who has a high sense for responsibility because if a man has a sense of responsibility, he will continue to be together and survive under anyone, and who love me and can take good care of me.
I wanted to answer the partner I want who can be responsible, established, and handsome.
If I have a partner, I think my partner I think should be have a same frequency from me. So like we have a same hobby or we like a good talk. So I think so to Miftahul to asking the third question.
Okay, third question. Do you want to continue your study abroad?
Okay, I can answer yes. Of course, studying abroad is everyone's goals. I want to experience study abroad and feel independent living in someone else's country. In my imagination, it is very exciting and has my challenge.
Okay, and my answer is yes, I want to continue my study abroad because it is part of my goal. I want to continue my master degree in Japanese because agriculture in Japan is very advanced.
So if I will I will study abroad if there's an opportunity to study abroad. But if there's not opportunity to study abroad, I will not to study abroad. So next, for maybe me to asking the third question. It's the same question like I said earlier. What would you do if you could predict the future and knew your future would be bad? So to Median to asking to
Okay,
answer the question.
I can answer. Um, I I will fix all my future plans, or I will make other plans for the future later. 3. And improve from now on, and will not give up because only one time failed.
I'll change it for the better.
I wanted to answer. Fix it until my future gets better.
So I think that's it from the third question. Next to Median to asking the fourth question to everyone.
Okay, for the last, what do you do if future plans don't turn out the way you expect?
Okay, and my answer is, if my future plans don't go as expected, I will keep trying to find other ways to continue planning for my future. However, planning for the future is not a very easy thing, so it takes a very hard effort so that our future is bright.
Okay, for me, I made 2 plans in the future. If the first plan doesn't work, then I can use the second plan.
If my plan doesn't work, if my plan doesn't work for the future, I think I will be good for first, but I will keep trying to reach the future. I will keep trying. So next to Matia to asking the last question.
Okay, and my question is, what kind of house model do you want in the future?
Okay, I can answer. I want to have a rustic thema house with a floor made of neat smart wood filed with white and brown colors. Have a large ears, also a house not the city center. Next.
Okay, I think I want a house model that is not too luxurious and large, but can look aesthetically pleasing and which is also comfortable to live in.
My house model for the future, maybe the most important is comfortable, because if not comfortable for me, I can live in my house. So I think not luxurious, but I think it's simple in a village. Maybe I think that's model from my house in the future. So next to Jana to asking the last question.
Okay, last number. What dream do you most want in the future?
Okay, I can answer. I want. I'm preparing now to be useful in the future and accordance with uh, what is expected. A life happily with a job that matches my passion, and marry someone I hope for and also expect to me, and live in peace. Next.
Okay, and my answer is, I want to become a rich and successful person because I want to travel abroad.
What my dream to what the most dream to I think I want to traveling all over the world, because I think it's my dream to traveling all over the world, and maybe have a secure job and find a partner. Maybe. Let's to ask question from me. Would you rather have a job that match your passion but has a small salary, or a job that doesn't match your passion but has a big salary? So to Meridian to answer the question.
Okay, I can answer. I fixed with these two choices. I chose not according to patient and big, and not according to patient and big income, because for me, patient can change when we want to learn and get used to it, and definitely everyone want to have a big income or salary. Next.
Okay, and my answer is work is not according to passion, but the salary is big because passion will appear according to habit.
Okay, I wanted to answer. Work is not according to passion, but the salary is because if work is not according to passion, I will try to get used to it.
So I think the question is the answer all. So I think maybe that's all the podcast and Q&A session from all of us. Thank you, and maybe apologize if there are any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.